Alright, Captain's got one now. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Turning the boat right around with you. This fish it's tough as nails. This is why I love catching these fish. They are so strong. We're fishing about 3 foot of water. Well, here goes this one. This rod over here. Doubled up. Doubled up. Hang on, this one up yet. Real? What'd you do? Set it up?
Yeah.
Is there one on there?
Yep.
Okay. Let me get this one. They just started biting. Like hard right now. Oh, I got it. Alright. Mine's in there. Okay, Leah's off. Alright. Just keep it. What'd you do? What'd you try?
Nothing, I just picked it up.
Alright, let's pull this one up.
Fisher, come on.
I'd say this one goes about 15, 20. Well, no, I'd say 15. Ah,
Let's see.
she's kicking. That's how strong these things are. They're like sharps.
Hey! Watch
Saying
your mouth.
15. Fisher's hungry. Ooh, 17. Second one, 17. Lee's was only 10.5 pounds heavier. Awesome fish, you guys, right there. Channel catfish, Lake Ontario. You cannot beat these fish. Hand me those pliers. Oh, right there, Leah. Keep recording now, won't you? He's all right. What are all these people saying? John Energy. John, what's going on? Jason, Justin, Jeff. Beautiful day out here. We got a couple in the boat. We had a couple strikes while we were fighting that fish, and I don't know, we just didn't get them. It's kind of slow, but a couple monsters, so see if we can get another big one here. Leah's got me beat by like 10.5 pounds, so I don't know. I don't know what she thinks she's doing.
I think I'm doing better than you. That's
Yeah.
what I think.
See? See you later, guys. We'll be back.